Hey everyone, I am Christy and I am about to take my daily cold plunge. Today I am taking cold plunge number 196 in my chest freezer ice bath. Yesterday I took a shower cold plunge because I was on a girls trip and did not have my ice bath. So there she is. Oh, I need to fix my number and then I need to unplug it and then I need to get in. So I'm gonna do that. Summer out here. Like I said, I got home today from my trip to Eureka Springs with my girls, my sisters. It was so fun. It was a long road trip though, so I am back home of course, and a little tired. It's 8 o'clock now, by the way, 8 p.m. I did manage to get some studying in before doing this for my certification exam, which is tomorrow. I've taken 3 practice tests and passed them. And I've continued to study as well. So I think it's gonna be fine. I think I'm gonna pass. Actually, I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna pass. So when I take my 197th cold plunge tomorrow, I'll get to report that I passed my test. I gotta get a good night of sleep tonight, which I don't think will be difficult because being away from home and sleeping in a hotel room is not as comfortable as being in my own bed with my husband. So I'll get a good night's sleep, knock out that exam, and that'll be a nice weight off my shoulders. That's 3 minutes in my cold plunge. I think I'm done. So I'm gonna get out. Thank you very much for watching. I am gonna take a shower and get ready for bed. See y'all tomorrow for the next cold plunge. Bye.